Welcome to House English.
Hello kids, welcome to House English channel. Our lesson today is Unit 11, In the Playground. First, let's learn phonics. What sound does letter I make? Listen and say the sound with me.
Letter
I.
sounds
I.
Great, now let's learn some vocabulary. Listen, repeat, and have fun with me.
I. Sliding. I. Riding. I. Driving.
Excellent! Now let's make easy sentences together. Listen and repeat after me.
He's driving. She's driving. They're driving. He's riding. She's riding. They're riding. They're sliding. They're riding. They're sliding. He's sliding. She's sliding. They're sliding.
Wow! Great job, everyone! Now, let's see what we've learned today.
It's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more interesting lessons. See you next time.